We have a method of preserving pineapples. We have 3 varieties of them, and we have different sugar concentration in each. In the first part of the question, they asked me to find the mean of those 3 numbers, meaning you add them up and you find the concentration for glucose for all 3 varieties of pineapple. That's not the main question. Underneath, they are trying to preserve pineapples. They want to do 2 things. Again, this is given in the question. I'm just summarizing what they said. They want to dry the fruit. How would you dry something? If you have something you want to dry, now obviously you're not going to squeeze it because it's going to be ruined. We have a way to dry up fruits by placing them in sugar solution. Should I have a concentrated sugar solution, or should the sugar solution be diluted? Because I want the water to escape out of those pineapples. You need the water potential in the solution to be as low as possible so the fruit will dry up. Ensure that the concentration of sugar is not changing. So that's a bit of a challenge, because if I just place that pineapple into a sugar solution, highly concentrated sugar, so it's gonna get sweeter. And that's not what the question wants. They want to dry it, but they don't want that extra sugar to get into it and changes its taste. Can I use another solute just to decrease its water potential? And that ensures what? That ensures that the water is escaping out. But anyways, let's start with those easy marks at the beginning. So I'll say prepare a sugar solution with low water potential than the fruit. Why is this? Because I want to let the water escape from its cytoplasm, osmosis. Ensure that the sugar solutions, but as the question says, they don't want the sugar solution to change. So for that reason, I need to pick concentration that is quite similar inside and outside the fruit. For instance, the reason why they made me do that calculation on the previous page is for me to realize that is the sugar solution of glucose outside. So I picked the mean for glucose, the answer that I just wrote on the previous page. I need to put exact same concentration of glucose inside and outside this pineapple. Now, the salt part is for what? Because I'm not allowed to change the sugar solution outside those fruits. What am I supposed to do then to dry up those fruits? I could use salt because that will drop the water potential and it's not going to change the sugar solution. So I was saying, but the salt not diffuse into the pineapple? What if even if the salt goes in, I'm not worried about it, because the question, look at the line I've underlined at the top. They're not worried about the saltness of the fruit. They're worried, they just want the sugar to stay equal. The question says, reduce the water, keep the sugar the same.